Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can feel a bit like the Wild West, exciting, full of potential, but also a little lawless. Especially when it comes to trading platforms. You find one that seems perfect, then bam. You learn they don't operate in your region. Frustrating, right? Well, that's why I are here today. We're going to be diving into the world of Gemini, a popular crypto exchange, and unpacking the big question, exactly where in the world can you use Gemini? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of countries and legalities, let's take a quick step back. For those of you new to the crypto game, Gemini is a platform designed to make buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrency a smooth and secure experience. They focus on user-friendliness and, most importantly, security, a big plus in this ever-evolving market. Alright, back to our main event, geographic reach. The good news is, Gemini boasts a pretty impressive global presence. We're talking over 60 countries, which means a good chunk of the world has access to their services. Of course, that doesn't mean every country gets the full Gemini experience. Regulations vary from place to place, so some features might be limited depending on where you live. But that's a whole other video for another day. For now, let's focus on where you can actually sign up and get your crypto journey started with Gemini. We're talking heavy hitters across the globe. North America? Check. South America? You got it. Europe, Asia, Africa, and even Oceania, all on board. Now, I can't list every single country here, but to give you an idea, throughout Europe, you're covered in major countries like France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the UK. Looking across the pond? The US and Canada are good to go. In Asia, you've got access in powerhouses like Japan, Singapore, and South Korea. But wait, what if your country isn't on this quickfire tour? Don't despair. The best thing to do is head straight to Gemini's website. They have a handy-dandy areas of availability page that spells it all out clearly. Just a quick search and you'll know exactly where you stand. Here's the key takeaway: Gemini is a globally recognized platform, but always double-check their website to make sure they operate in your region before you get your crypto hopes up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.